Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm riding this G63 AMG today. Stunning car, absolute proper, the big boy G-Wagon G63 AMG, and this one's actually available for sale at Exclusive Autos. So check them out. Currently available. How to drive in that. Proper gangster. But you guys gotta see this. That is an R34 GTR. R34 GTR. Look at that. That is crazy. This has been bare show, and it's going to come on the scene soon. Badass car. Having a full resto as if from ProSmart. We should see more of that soon. But for now, we are at EMF Errol's place. Obviously you saw we had the trigger problem the other day at the track, and we've got a new trigger kit coming on, well, being fitted as we speak, thanks to Supertec. Supertec to the rescue. New trigger kit coming very quickly, actually. Don't know if you guys can see.
Within 24 hours, isn't it?
Oh, within 24 hours to the rescue. If only he could be there for trackside, but doesn't get any better than this. Does it, Errol?
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't get any better than this. How you doing, bro?
I'm good.
You good?
No,
You still reminiscing the red R34?
Yeah, I am reminiscing it. It was best time of my life.
What are you doing there?
I'm just lowering the suspension.
So that's my shock absorbers at the back there. Well, Olin's suspension, and that's currently being lowered again because we had it hired up for race use, but it's being lowered again. Oh, another item here, courtesy of Supertec. I'll put Supertec in the description, guys. This is a titanium caster nut for the drive shaft, which goes here. Oh, AP racing brakes were supplied by Supertec. That's the original caster nut there, as you can see. It's okay, but it's nothing well. But if you can you just give me that caster nut? I'll show you this fitted shortly, but just to give you an idea, this is fully titanium, and that is going to replace over there. That is some cool bit there, and I'm going to show you how that comes out shortly. Obviously we've also got wheel nuts, titanium,
and the spigot part turns.
as you can kind of see the colors on the front, blue and another color, and the what?
The spigot part there turns.
Okay, yeah, so spigot part
So
turns.
when you put it in and you torque it,
Yeah,
it sits in the seat properly.
yeah, it sits here on the seat. That's my show wheels, and there you go, as you can see.
So when you're torquing it up,
Yeah.
that part turns and you get a nice.
Oh, I missed these wheels. I haven't had them on for a while. They're the show look. So I don't know when this video is going to drop, but yeah, we're getting ready for FuelFest. FuelFest hasn't been happening in the UK for quite a long time, I believe. So that should be very interesting. We'll get this bad boy back on the road in show look and
Show condition.
show condition, show vibe, and then we'll get out there and hope to see you all guys there, and you can come and check it out. Oh, so with the trigger kit also, Errol. So the main thing that happened with the trigger kit, obviously, was that sensor at the bottom.
Yeah.
That sensor we had initially from the build. Here we go. So that went wrong, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so that just come out like that, and then it was playing up, throwing errors.
Throwing errors.
Yeah.
Giving us all sorts of dilemmas.
Yeah.
It's just a nightmare. I'll say stay away from these.
Okay.
I don't like them.
But like again, so we had a 12. What would you call it?
That was a 12 tooth before.
We had a
The
12
tooth is good.
12 tooth before, but it was good. But we couldn't put this kit onto the 12 tooth, so we've had to change this, right?
So we've had to change it, yeah.
Okay.
If they made a 12 tooth with these sensors,
Yeah.
it would be much better.
Okay.
So, but this is a 36 minus 2.
Okay.
So, it's a very good kit from Supertec.
Yeah.
So,
Oh yeah, titanium bolts and seats. Oh yes.
titanium.
And we got the titanium bits here, guys. So I've also got a discount code for you guys. So if you want any of these bits, whether it's trigger kit, whether it's the aluminium, the titanium bolts, the titanium driveshaft bolts, other stuff. They do loads of other stuff. But what I have got for you guys, I've got a discount code for you. If you literally mention AFFY-20, so AFFY and the number 20, AFFY-20, I'll put it in the description also. Mention that anytime for your 10% off with Supertec, and I'll have them in the link also. You can get any of these bad boy parts. And like I said, thanks again to Supertec. Trigger kit, very quick, very efficient. We'll be testing it out later on today. And obviously when we do start racing again. And also with the show bits, again, just look at that. These are titanium. The square over there is titanium. And that's the top sensor, again with titanium bolts. Nice. Again, these were supplied. The brakes, AP brakes, 380mm, which I matched my GT3 RS when I did initially get them from Supertec. And they were so helpful, giving me sizes. So then when I was having the alloy wheels manufactured, these are obviously two-piece split rim, they were able to manufacture these wheels with a barrel inside, with plenty of clearance on these huge brakes. It'll be interesting to see all these parts on the car when it's ready. We're getting there. So we have nuts, bolts for the wheels.
Nuts. All nuts.
Titanium bolts. Lovely, look at that colour. The colour of them, two-tone, three-tone, almost matches the Bayside blue and midnight purple. Have a look at that. Nice. And we also have some strut top titanium bolts also.
Never got them up.
No, so you can't gun them with a electric gun unless you want to mark them, so you've got to torque them manually, right?
Yeah.
5-1. 15 more to go on the rear wheels. Nice.
Solo.
Lovely.
Solo.
Lovely. Errol doesn't like this nice shiny stuff, innit? I do. Show look, show look. Lovely.
I like it, it's just effort.
It's a lot of effort for you. I appreciate it, man. Titanium strut brace requires titanium nuts. Old ones, new ones. Titanium.
She's on a weight loss program.
Yeah, weight loss, yeah, I didn't even think of that. Titanium. There we go, let's have a look at this. This is the jobby. Don't know if I'm focusing. Oh, this is. In again. There we are. Final finish of all the titaniums. I don't know if you guys can pick that up in the video. But we've got a plenty of new titanium bits on this car now. New trigger kit. I trust this new trigger kit is going to make me go faster also.
Reliability.
Because we're going to be able to be more reliable on the track so we can test more times. So there you have it, guys. Now we're going to get the car down on the floor and then picture it rolling. Wash. Back at EMF, trigger kit's fully on, just started the car, we've got Jason here just going over the map and just checking the timing, all that kind of stuff. She's running nice and sweet. Again, the trigger kit just started up. We've got the body kit back on for GTR Festival, we've got a bigger lip, we've got the wheels. Bolts. Just listen to that. Let's listen to that. Got the boys there. Yes, Jason. Yes, boss. Yeah, another setup. Should be cool. We are ready to rock and roll again. There we are. We are super ready. Show ready. There's my new bolts. Show ready. How does that look, guys? Does it look better in the show? What do you reckon, Errol? I know it's a pain in the ass. Does it look better like this or the other way? Come on, tell me. Which way does it look better?
I like the other way.
Ah, come on, man. Jason. One sec. Does it look better show way or this way?
Oh, this way.
This way.
Yeah, this way looks better.
2 V's 1.